What's up, everyone? I'm Michael.
I'm Chandler.
This is a 1993 Ford Mustang LX hatch, low miles, killer color. Let's see what it does out on the open road. What's up, y'all? As always, it's Mike. Today we got Chandler with us here in a 1993 Ford Mustang LX hatch. This is a really cool car that's got some nice upgrades done to it. But for starters, it's a 37,635 actual mile Fox body, so excellent miles on this one. It is a clean Carfax. It is a clean Autocheck. No accidents or damage ever reported. It has its original 5-liter, and then this one is backed by the AOD automatic overdrive transmission, so it's one of the cars you just put in drive and go enjoy. Really no complaints mechanically on this one, Chandler. It drives great.
Awesome.
So as far as the exhaust, we'll let Chandler give you guys some information on what this one particularly has.
Yeah, so this one has the stock cats, stock H-pipe, and a Flowmaster catback. It's not too loud, but it does sound really good when you get in the throttle. It'd be great for a daily driver or something like that.
I would daily this car.
Okay.
It runs down the road fantastic. We have our AC on right now. The AC is nice and cold. The heater also is hooked up and works if you do need it. Obviously, we're getting into the Texas heat, so probably not going to need to turn our heater on a whole lot, but it's there if you do need it. Other mechanical options that these Fox bodies all came with, you have power steering and you have power disc brakes, all of which perform exactly like this Fox body is supposed to perform like. It's a 37,000 mile car. There is nothing to complain about whatsoever. On the interior here, it's code D6, which is the opal gray interior. The wear items that I would say, and they are pretty minimal, right in front of Chandler over here on the very far right corner of the soft dash pad, there's a little hairline crack up there right next to where the air conditioned vent is. Really minor stuff there. Your center console's in great shape. Your ashtray door opens and closes properly. Your headliner, your visors, all of that is really nice. You do have a few little darker spots on the seat bottoms right where Chandler and I are sitting. Just minor stuff there. If someone did some really deep shampoo, you could probably get the little bit of darkness out of the seat. Just a small little note there for you guys. But door panels, everything else in here is really nice. Chandler, would you agree?
Yeah.
Just a really clean interior. Back seat looks good.
As far as the doesn't work section goes, this one's super easy. Everything on it works. So wipers, lights, AC, heat, gauges, all that stuff is working on this one.
Yep, and there's a couple other little things that these Fox bodies do have. You have your cruise control, so we're gonna go ahead and test that on our return trip. That's one of the little finicky things on these Fox bodies, but it is listed as a yes on this one. And we do verify all of that, so we're gonna go ahead and check the cruise for you when we are cruising on the way back. How you're gonna find that does it work section, it's really simple. You're gonna go to the website pcclassiccars.com. You are going to click on the inventory tab. You are going to click on this Mustang. You're gonna scroll to the bottom of the page. There's gonna be a section called additional media. What you're gonna have in there is the clean Carfax, the Autocheck, the VIN tags, the motor numbers, all of that stuff will be on that additional media section, so make sure you guys check that out. We are warmed up, so we're gonna go ahead and get in the throttle some, see if we can't get Chandler to hold the seatbelt a little bit tighter. And there you guys have it. Smooth, easy power from that 5-liter. Runs pretty good, huh?
Yeah, super smooth.
That transmission shifts really nice. The AODs are a little bit notorious for kind of feeling sluggish or lazy. This one didn't really have that. It shifted pretty nice. As far as your underneath on this one, for me, it looked great. Chandler, what did you see when we had it up in the air?
Yeah, it's really nice underneath. You can still see some of the original paint underneath on the floorboards, and then I would just say some small corrosion on some of those non-painted areas, but overall shows really well.
Yeah, suspension, drive shaft, some of, again, your non-painted parts from the factory that any low mileage car, even a higher mileage car, you're going to get some surface corrosion. It's almost inevitable, but it really does show nice underneath there. No real issues whatsoever. And then on the exterior, this is a fantastic color. It is bright Calypso green. It's an unusual color. You don't see it very often, especially on a low mileage example. So really cool setup. The paint quality is nice. Where I would nitpick the car is the front fender extensions right on the outside portion of the fenders where it meets the front bumper. You can see that the fender extensions are a little bit darker, really notorious for these cars. The front bumper definitely looks like it's been repainted. And then the car itself, walking around, it does have some water spots on like the flat surfaces of the hood and the roof and also the rear hatch, but it does still show nice. The doors open and close properly. The hood, the hatch, all of that does open and close properly. And then really important, you do have all your VIN tags all the way around the car.
Yeah, all the VIN tags on the front bumper, front fenders, hood, doors, quarter panels, hatch, and rear bumpers. So
yep, so
there.
all the VIN tags, where we want to find them on these Fox bodies, they are there on this car, which is really cool. You also have your data tag over here on the driver's side door jamb, which is important. That shows us the factory color codes that this car was born with. The imperfections, the little flaws here and there that you are going to find on this one are just going to be those little touch-ups, little miscellaneous areas here and there. You will find those, again, in that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. You do have the 16-inch pony wheels, really nice, basically brand new tires all the way around. So the rubber is ready to go on this one. Chandler, while we're sitting here, what do you feel like? How does it feel going down the road? Any real complaints from you on the suspension or the steering?
No, it feels actually extremely smooth. It's very comfortable.
Yeah, this one does have a few aftermarket suspension upgrades, specifically the caster camber plates. Really minor stuff there, but a pretty common thing that you're going to find across the Fox body platform. One of the, usually the first mods that people did on these. And this one also has subframe connectors, so just a little bit stiffer than the factory ride quality, but it still performs great going down the road. Doesn't have a rough feel at all. I could drive this thing across the country.
Yeah, definitely.
Just an easy ride. Seat foam feels good over here. I'm guessing the passenger's seat foam feels good as well.
Yep.
No issues with the back seat. Sitting here looking out of the windshield, you do have a few little nicks in the windshield. There's a little one right in front of Chandler over there on the passenger side. A couple little nicks looking around the windshield, but it's all pretty minor stuff. You do have your power windows and locks on both sides, which function exactly like they're supposed to. And this is a rear defrost car, so you got your rear defrost there. The back glass is clear and easy to see out of, and you do have some little hazy spots here in the rear view mirror, but it's all pretty minor stuff. And it's always fun to be out on the open road. We have our chase car doing this with us, and we get some fans following us behind when we're doing some of these videos. We got a guy filming us while we're filming, which is pretty cool. Not sure you'll be able to see it behind us, but it's kind of cool to see that stuff every once in a while. All right, we can go ahead and shift through the gears manually here, get in the throttle a little bit heavier. So even in an automatic car, you can shift through the gears a little bit, wind it up a little bit higher. No, it performs good. The power is there where you need it.
Definitely.
When you pop the hatch in the back, all of your plastics, carpet, all that stuff back there really does show nice. There's really nothing out of place. Represents like a 37,000 mile Fox body should represent like. And then inside the engine compartment, you obviously have your hood release up here under the dash on the driver's side, and then you have your secondary hood release up underneath the hood in the front. In that engine compartment, everything is factory appearing, shows well, nothing again needs to be done. All the serviceable items like belts, hoses, wiring, all of that really checks out great as well. So far, Chandler, what would you say your biggest complaints or favorite things about this Mustang are?
So I would say favorite things, definitely the color. You know, unique color, good combo. Complaints, I love a 5-speed, of course, but automatic's really not bad at all.
Yeah, you can hop in this thing and still enjoy it. Again, I'm a creature of comfort too. I love my 5 speeds. I love hopping in these cars and really going to rip through the gears and have a good time. But it is also nice to just hop in this thing, put it in drive. You and I can go driving. If you were in here with your wife, you guys could go just cruising, and it's just kind of worry-free sometimes.
Definitely.
So, really cool color combo on this one. The disclaimer list is really short. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. We're going to do a vehicle brief back in the showroom. We're going to kind of go over the highlights of the good and the very few little negatives on this one. So again, make sure you guys stick around for the vehicle briefing. But this is a low mileage 93 Fox body, so it is the last year of this body style before they went to the 94 when it was a whole new SN platform. It's an unusual color combo, the bright Calypso green over the Opal gray. You just don't see it very often, especially the exterior color. So really, really cool setup on this one. We got an opportunity here. We're gonna pull out here into the takeoff spot and see if we can't get a little tired shirt from a little AOD here on a Friday morning at PC Classic Cars. Just a little bit. We'll outrun our chase car here this morning. As always, I'm Michael.
I'm Chandler.
This is a 1993 Ford Mustang LX hatch, in bright Calypso green. Stick around for the end of the video again one more time for that vehicle briefing. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Check out that additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com, and we will catch you guys in the showroom in just a couple seconds. All right, y'all, we're back to the showroom here for a quick vehicle briefing after the test drive on the 93 Calypso green Fox body. Chandler and I just took it for a rip. Anything that you'd complain about, Chandler?
No, solid car.
Just a really nice Fox body, goes down the road really well. For you, Jake, who were not with us on the test drive, the complaints on this one, do you remember what these are called right here on the left and the right side?
Fender extenders.
Not the fender extenders, the fender extensions on this one are a little bit faded, different than the fenders. Pretty common thing on a Fox body is they fade just a little bit different, but the paint still shows well. You do have a few like water spots on the top of the car. You could definitely do a color correction, which would probably make that a little bit better. I don't like to get crazy with original paint because you could burn through it, but if someone did a professional color correction, you could probably get some of those water spots out. Interior wise, a few little dark spots on the seats, which you can kind of see outside inside the car or inside these the showroom here with the fluorescent lights. It's really tough to see as well, but there are a few little darker spots on the actual seat covers themselves. But overall, again, the complaint list on this car, guys, is really simple. It's got Flowmasters, it's got caster camber plates. So I can't really think if I missed anything that's a super important thing on this car. It's just a really good Fox body.
You did miss something. It is a factory sunroof car.
You're right, man. I did totally forget about that. We didn't even talk about that in the test drive video. So it is a factory sunroof car. It does have a pop-open sunroof. And again, 5-liter AOD, really good miles, 37,000. Jake, for you, again, there's not a whole lot to complain about on this one. It's a good, solid car. Y'all got any questions?
Nope.
Cool. And for you guys, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our vehicle briefs and the test drive video. If there's anything else that y'all want to see, hit us up on the website pcclassiccars.com, and we will find you guys on the next video.